Hello guys, this is Zdenka. Welcome to my yoga channel. Today's lesson is perfect for those who have a lot of things on their minds. They are always occupied with something, so if you want to just calm down a little bit, focus on something else other than your job or responsibilities, let's do it together and feel better. Today we'll start in mountain pose, Tadasana. Let's get ready. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, palms to chest. Inhale, reach both arms back up. And now we want to reach one arm higher and then the other, like if we were trying to pick apples from a tall tree. Reach a little bit higher. Grab that apple. Great job. Now you got it. You can release the arms down. Now with inhalation, I want you to lift your shoulders up towards your ears. And with exhalation, your shoulders will go backwards and down. And then again with inhalation up towards the ears, exhale back and down. With your own pace, we'll do it a few more times. Last one. Great job. Now I want you to activate your right leg. So shift your weight to the right foot and now first sink into the right hip so you can really feel the difference. Now press to the right foot so much that you can come out of the right hip. Draw belly slightly in for better support and stronger core. Now pull the knee towards yourself. Rotate the ankle one way and the other way. We are standing nice and strong, always with straight back. Now, without putting the foot back on the floor, I want you to grab it from behind. I'm just gonna show it to you from the side so you can see it better. And this time we are not opening the chest yet. I want you to tilt the tailbone slightly forward and draw the belly closer to the spine. And this way we are really opening the front side of the hips and the quadricep. Breathe and stand strong. Great job, and now it's time to open the chest and create like a bow kind of pressure. Press the foot against the palms. Alrighty, do not put the foot on the floor yet. Just transfer it in front of your body. Grab your knee. Get strong in the position and now slowly transfer without touching to the high lunge. Or you can fix yourself here a little bit for better balance. And with inhalation, we'll lift both arms up. And we'll hold here while we move the back heel up and down. Back leg is nice and strong, it's straight. Up and down. Slowly really feel the difference between the two positions of the heel. Well done. Let's open the back foot to 90 degrees to warrior two. So hips are open. Check if your knee is above the ankle, not in front of it. And the knee is not falling inwards. It should be nicely in one line with the foot. Straighten the front knee. Inhale and follow the right palm forward. And with exhalation, we'll rotate to triangle pose, Trikonasana. It's not important here to have the right fingers on the floor. What is important is that you are standing in a way that if someone puts you in between two glass panels and would be squashing you from both sides, you would be trying to avoid breaking those two glass panels. Activate your core, lift back up, bend your knee, tangle your arms behind the back, arms are nice straight. And now with exhalation, bend over the right thigh as low as possible, pushing the arms over the head. And breathe. Try to go as low as possible. Watch out that your knee is not in front of ankle. Well done. Put the palms back on the floor, pivot the back foot forward, and we'll take our flow. With exhalation, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk out the feet, since it's our first downward dog. Push to the right leg. Breathe it out. Now push to the left leg. Really feel the stretch there. And now straighten the both legs if you can. If not, don't worry, keep your knees bent. Push the tailbone up to the sky. Press to the palms. And press to the heels if they are on the floor. Look forward, step or hop between your palms. And we'll take forward fold that is loose. So just hang in there and breathe. Here you're really releasing the whole back side of your body. You can do some nods, yes and no, to make sure your head is loose. And now I want you to bend your left knee, put your left palm in front of your right foot, and with inhalation we'll lift the right arm up and look towards it. Now you can definitely feel the stretch in your right leg. Don't forget to breathe and try to open the chest as much as possible. Great job. Palm back down and we'll switch sides. So bend your right knee, put your right palm in front of the left foot and open the chest and lift the left arm up and look towards the left arm. Breathe. Nice and long deep breaths. Well done everyone. Let's put palms back on the floor. Draw chin to your chest and slowly roll yourself up, vertebra by vertebra. Head goes last. We'll meet in Tadasana, mountain pose, and this time our left leg will be the standing one. So again, play with your hips and now really press to your left leg to reach the right hip up. The left leg is strong. Draw your belly in for core activation. Grab your knee. And again, we'll rotate with our ankle to one side, to the other. Circle. Okie dokie. Let's stay here a little bit more. Really feel that strong standing position. And now we'll grab our foot behind. Alrighty, I have to move again for you guys. And like before, firstly we want to just tilt the tailbone forward. So at the same time you are pushing your belly in towards the spine and really stretching the front side of the hip flexor. Well done. And now I want you to arch your back a little bit. So really push that foot against the palm. and create that pressure. Well done. And now, without touching the floor, again move the leg in front. Really make yourself strong. Feel that pose and slowly transfer without touching to high lunge. Again, fix yourself so you are nicely balanced. With inhalation, reach both arms up. And again, we'll try moving our heel up and down. Our back leg is straight. Really, we have to engage our core so we keep our balance. Up and down, slowly and strongly. Great job. Open to warrior 2. Again, check your feet, that they are in one line. Your hips are open. Check your left knee, that it's not in front of the ankle and it's not falling inwards. Let's make few breaths here together. Alright, straighten the front knee. Inhale and follow the left palm forward, and with exhalation, rotate to triangle pose. Look towards your right palm up to the ceiling. Breathe, try to open your hips, again as if someone was squashing you between two glass panels you don't want to break. Basically, you are like a flat pancake. Activate your core a bit more. Lift up, bend your left knee. Watch out it doesn't go in front of the ankle. Tangle the palms behind. And with exhalation, fall over the left thigh from the inside. Now we really want to push that palms over our head and sink as low as possible. Long deep breaths will help us go lower. Great job. Put the palms on the floor. Exhale to plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Really push into those palms. And with exhalation, we'll go to downward facing dog. And you can walk it out a little bit. Perhaps you can press and stretch the leg that is less flexible in your body. Alright, let's get stable. Couple of breaths here. Look forward. Step or jump between the palms to forward fold. And this time we'll grab our elbows and wiggle from side to side, completely loose. Well done everyone. Release the palms, draw chin to your chest and slowly roll back up to standing Tadasana pose. Now let's activate the left leg, we already know how to, and we'll go to Vrksasana, which is a tree pose. Open your right knee out and you have 3 options here with your foot, so either you put it on your ankle, on your shin, or on the inside part of your thigh. Please never put it on your knee. Find your concentration point, and if you are feeling stable enough, you can lift your arms up to create a nice tree top. Hold and breathe, nice and strong. Great job, everyone. Let's put the palms down and shake the left leg off a little bit. And we'll try the same out on the other side. So activate your right leg, really push into it, open your left knee. And again, we have 3 options. So either against your ankle, your shin, or your thigh. Strengthen your core. Find that point of concentration that is called drishti in yoga. And we'll hold few breaths. Again, if you feel like it, reach your arms up to create a nice tree crown. And hold and breathe. Great. Exhale, palms back down. Release your foot and shake it off. We'll meet in Tadasana, nice and strong standing pose. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, palms to chest. You all did a really great job by practicing your concentration and balance, and I hope you'll feel nicely grounded and calm throughout your day. Namaste.